Isabel. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday.
Okay, so happy 18th birthday, my lovely niece. As you turn 18 now, so that remember that you have the power to save your destiny. And congratulations on reaching this milestone. So wishing you a year filled with growth, self-discover, and new experiences in your life and everything. And happy birthday. So you are now 18, so you are in the right age. So supposed to be, you know, what are you doing right or wrong in your life. So you have your own decision, and I wish you that all your mga pangarap, so matutupad, at mga kamtan mo, sikap lang at tiyaga. So ang masasabi ko lang, sana makapagtapos kayo ng pag-aaral, kasi yun lang yung pinaka-key sa buhay para magkaroon kayo in good future life. Alam nyo naman ang situation, diba? So magporsigit kayo kahit mahirap ang sitwasyon. So kailangan nyo tapusin ang pag-aaral nyo para after that makapaghanap kayo ng magandang trabaho, and lahat ng mga gusto nyo makukuha nyo in the future. Makatapos kayo ng pag-aaral nyo. So nandoon na tayo, lahat hinahangad nyo, gusto nyo makamtan ang gusto nyo, ninais nyo sa buhay. So makukuha nyo yan pag matapos nyo ang pag-aaral nyo. Yun lang yung importante. Huwag nyo isipin yung ibang tao, isipin nyo yung future nyo, magandang buhay, dalang araw magkaroon kayo ng pamilya. Of course, mas maganda yung maibibigay nyo sa mga anak nyo in the future na magandang buhay. Unlike right now, so mahirap, but we have to sacrifice and porsige sa buhay para makamtan yung gusto nyo sa buhay. Yun lang ang masasabi ko. Mag-aral kayo ng mabuti matapos, and like a boyfriend, okay lang naman yung mag-admire kayo, just inspiration. That's part of your life, that's part of our life. So I hope alam niyo yung mga dapat tama at mali, dapat at hindi dapat. Think about it. Everything should happen in the right time. Huwag kayong magmamadali. Yun lang ang masasabi ko. Once again, happy birthday, in good health. Wala man tayong yaman, everything is gonna be happy in God Jesus' name. So believe in our God, believe in His power, because we cannot do anything without God Jesus Christ. So yun lang ang importante. Ako, hirap din ako, pero lagi lang ako kumakapit kay Lord. So yun lang ang ating pinaka sandata. Only God Jesus Christ can help everybody, everyone. Only God can help. So yun lang, tiwala sa Panginoon at sa pagsisikap niya, of course. So anyway, happy birthday once again, and good life, and happy enjoy your next journey. Okay, thank you so much, and once again, happy birthday.